What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. Today I'm going to be reviewing these two bird feeders. I know people probably not into bird feeders and stuff like that, but I'm into everything, so let's get into it. Right here I have a bird feeder from Lowe's, and this one is from Walmart. I don't know if Walmart owns Lowe's. I think Walmart owns Sam's Club. I think so, because one time I got a gift card from Sam's Club and they said I could use it at Walmart, but I never got that from Lowe's. If you get a Lowe's gift card, you have to use it in Lowe's, period. Or if you get a Walmart gift card, you can't use it in Lowe's. I don't think so. So I don't know if Walmart owns Lowe's, but that is blah, 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 blah stuff. Okay, so right here we have two look like well-constructed bird feeders, but the good thing about these bird feeders is squirrel proof. So when the squirrel gets on this cage right here, it comes down. When they leave, it goes up. I already have one from Walmart. It was about $20. The thing with that one is the squirrels figure out a way to pop the cap open on that one. I will post that one so y'all know to be aware that the caps on it are not that durable. So basically you get what you pay for. This one from Walmart is a Brome brand, same thing as this. Both of these are Brome. Both of these are same color, same construction. Well, it looks like the same construction. I'm gonna tell you a little bit of a difference. So this one is oval and it spins like that. This one, of course, as you can see, is square. It don't spin, but the feet lift up on it. When you put the bird food in here, the bird food lands on the bottom. When you put the bird food in here, the bird food stays in the whole thing, but the birds can eat out of the selected holes that they want to eat out. Now the plastic feels the same on both, but the metal looks a little tiny bit thicker on this one. This one from Lowe's is $65. This one from Walmart, I believe, is $30. With the metal hook attached to it, it's about 32 inches in height. Height from the tower is 22 inches. Now this side is similar to the same size. You got 1 inch less. So this one you were looking at about 21 and a half. And with their metal hook attached is 27. I can see people now saying, oh, that's too much for a bird feeder, you know, $60, $30. Well, this one you might not say it's too much. You might actually go get this one instead of this one. But here's what I'm going to say about that. Now, when you start getting into your yard and you want to get bird feeders and stuff like that, be mindful that squirrels like sunflower seeds too. They like basically whatever bird food that you buy. Squirrels can eat like you will never believe, and you will constantly buy bird food. With this, your bird food will last you a long time, especially if you get bird food from Sam's Club or BJ's and Costco and stuff like that. So that's where you save your money at. That's why these stuff cost so much. And that's about it. I'm going to break one down at a time, fill the food up, and just let the birds enjoy themselves.